It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, October 20th. I'm James Spann. That long-awaited cold front due in here tonight. It will bring some chance of rain, maybe a strong storm or two, and then a big change to cool air tomorrow. Let's talk about things as we finally have some changes on the board. That's the water vapor satellite view early this morning. Ridging still hanging on, but you can see that nice trough coming down across the Great Plains. The surface front is near Little Rock early this morning. And we actually have a few showers at the northwestern tip of the state as the day begins. That was the radar at 5:13 this morning. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s, although the Shoals and Huntsville at 71. One more day with highs well up in the 80s. Again, mid to upper 80s today, very close to records, but no more records for a while. As you can see, that nice cool air behind the front, 20s and 30s and 40s. And we'll feel that air tomorrow and over the weekend. Going to feel very nice here Saturday and Sunday. Around the nation, I got some freeze warnings for parts of Colorado and Kansas, Utah, but things are relatively quiet. Now, there's the risk of severe weather later today and tonight. The marginal risk extends from near Vicksburg, Mississippi, up into New York State. In Alabama, the marginal risk is basically along and north of Interstate 59, the darker green. There is no tornado threat. The wind fields are weak. The issues would be from hail and gusty winds. And as we have talked about, this is no drought buster. This is the WPC rain forecast for the next 5 days, and all of this will be within the next 24 hours. And this is showing everybody with generally under 1/2 inch. And again, the models are just not bullish on big rain amounts here, as you'll see. But again, any water we can get in the ground, that's a good thing. The really big number is up in the northeast. Tropics Invest 99, not looking good east of the Bahamas. If anything develops there, it's going to move north-northeast up toward the Canadian Maritimes. Some of the models do, in fact, most of them do bring it up to tropical storm strength. And if it gets a name, it's the O-storm, Otto. All right, model fans, here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. There's your trough diving down across the plains. Now below that, surface front getting closer. Unfortunately, the HRR is not very bullish on rain with this thing. This is not good. This is the HRR model valid this evening at 6 o'clock, and it's got a few showers and storms over the northwestern corner of the state. That's about it. And you know, many years ago, I was taught you never forecast rain in the middle of a drought. This is the NAM, high-res NAM, 4-kilometer NAM, valid at 7 o'clock this evening. It's a little more bullish, but again, it's not showing a whole lot. A few showers around. And this is the QPF, the expected rain off the NAM tonight, late this afternoon and tonight. And again, it's pretty spotty. You can see this is suggesting some spots may be getting nothing. And of course, it's not going to look exactly like that, but it's just telling us don't expect much with this. And the GFS is not much better. Its grid resolution is not as high as the NAM, and it shows amounts well under 1/2 inch for everybody. So while there might be a strong storm in spots this evening, this is not going to be a big rain. And again, I have fear some spots might come away with nothing. And if you're in South Alabama, you will get nothing. Nothing expected there. But the one thing for sure, it turns cool tomorrow. Strong north winds develop. It's a strong north winds. They'll average probably 10 to 20 with gusts at 25. The high will be 67 to 70. Bright, sunny day. Great night for high school football tomorrow night. Clear, cool. You'll need a good jacket. This is Saturday, a brilliantly sunny fall day. We start the day well down in the 40s, and again, the colder pockets could see 30s where the wind goes calm. That's going to be the big factor. That high on this map looks a little too far west. We might see a north wind, and that would eliminate any chance of frost. But the day will be beautiful. Both the NAM and the GFS are showing 68 for Birmingham. And the same thing on Sunday. Now, Sunday morning, I think the wind will be calm. If we see any scattered light frost, this might be the better opportunity when the wind is dead calm for those colder protected areas, those valleys. Most spots, low 40s. The high Sunday will be in the mid-70s. It could not be better. For a football race weekend at Talladega, anything else. Monday looks great. All of next week's going to be beautiful. Of course, we need the rain and can't promise that. Start the day in the upper 40s, the high in the 70s. This is Tuesday. Wednesday, And a week from today, Thursday, October 27th, 588 Ridge trying to rebuild. We're dry. That would suggest lows in the 50s and highs in the 70s. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, the 29th. Hey, pretty good shortwave approaching from the west, and just maybe that could bring some rain in here. Again, this is Saturday the 29th, and if this is right, just maybe we'll see some rain on Sunday the 30th. Temperatures dropping very nicely as expected tomorrow and Saturday and next week. Highs mostly in the 70s and lows mostly in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.